Sana ganito rin yung bahay namin.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Good morning from Bali! Tignan niyo naman ang ating background. So today, katatapos lang namin kumain ng breakfast. Bale, last day na namin dito sa hotel na ito. At kami ay lilipat na sa kabilang hotel. And abangan ninyo kung saan. Sobra kaming excited doon dahil gagawa din kami ng family shoot doon sa hotel na yun bukas. So mag-check-in kami today, tapos bukas ang pictorial. And syempre, I can't wait to share it with everyone. Kaya naman, balik na tayo sa kwarto at mag-i-impake na kami. Pero malapit lang naman yun dito mga Zoom. So, actually walking distance lang eh. Kaso lang, syempre marami kaming dalang maleta kaya meron kaming service. Kaya yun. Punta na kami mga Zoom sa aming villa. See you there. Ayan, waiting lang sa shuttle mga Zoobs dahil naghatid pa yata ng iba. So, walang available so far. Though malapit lang naman yung villa dito. Walking distance lang din. Kasi lang ang init kasi. Kaya parang ayaw namin maglakad ng maglakad. Tapos nga pala mga Zoobs, may plano kami na magpunta sa Potato Head. Kung hindi nyo pa alam yung Potato Head, pwede nyo i-google, tapos i-check nyo mamaya yung vlog namin kung saan kami pupunta. So the last time we went there, nag-cocktails lang kami, picture taking, tapos gumala sa beachfront nila, tapos parang party. But since may mga bata kaming kasama, doon kami sa beachfront. Tapos meron silang mga beanbags na nasa beach. So sobrang ganda ng lugar, cozy. Tapos siyempre may magandang music. I'm just here, babe. I'm just vlogging. Si Mimi kasi ngayon, mga Zoobs, nakahubad. Dahil init na init siya. Kadaya pa lang siya. Hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita. Diba? Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa kotse. Papunta na kami sa Potato Head. Ayan, sinabi ko na kung saan kami pupunta. Pupunta na kami sa Potato Head. Bale, magsiswimming kami doon, magbi-beach, bilad-bilad. So sana maabutan namin hindi masyadong maaraw. Kasi tingnan nyo, parang overcast. Kasi masyadong iitim naman kami kung magbibilad kami sa araw ng ganitong oras. It's already 1 p.m. So, check out na yung isang room dun sa aming villa. Tapos, susunod na rin yung group namin. Bale, 2 kotse kami ngayon. Si Aliyah. Excited ka na mag-swimming? Excited swimming?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I'm swimming.
I know. So, everyone's excited mag-swimming sa Potato Head. Hopefully, merong kids section doon. Pwede sila.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better? behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and say
Guys, tapos na kaming mag-swimming. Naantay na lang namin yung sundo. So, nandito kami.
Taxi, please.
No, we're waiting for our car.
Yeah, for Grab or?
Yeah, we have a driver.
Oh, driver.
Yeah.
Personal driver, right?
Yes, yes. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ah, I'm sure. Ang bait ni Lele.
We're so dark now, baby.
Did you had fun? Yeah.
Say-
Ayun na yata yung isa.
Say thank you, Potato Head. Go.
Bye, Teddy Head.
Bye, Potato Head. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mga Zoobs, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na kami ay pupunta sa isang luxurious hotel. So, nandito na kami sa Conrad at mag-check-in na kami. So, nanggaling na tayo sa buong araw na galaan at ngayon naman, lumipat na nga kami dito. So, tignan natin kung ano ang nasa loob kasi very excited na din kaming lahat. Kaya, halika na.
Wow. Welcome to Conrad Suite. Wow. Woo. Look at this. Wow. Oh, that's the bedroom? That's connected. Oh, that's nice, no? It's connected, bebe. Ayun, so have a look at our room, guys. Ang ganda, sobra. So Mimi wants to wear the slippers.
She's wearing it already.
You like it? You like the room?
Lala, sleeper ka daw.
Wow, nice slippers.
We got monkeys.
Woo.
Oh, monkeys.
Show me a monkey. Is that a Conrad monkey?
Yeah. It's monkey.
He's got a little Conrad jacket on.
There's also a swimming one.
Wow.
There's water there.
Yeah, water.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
Oh. Gusto na we're going. Nandito na kami sa loob, guys. Settled na kami. And nakita nyo naman, sobrang ganda ng aming bedroom at sobrang laki niya para sa amin. Ayan si Mimi. Sobrang nga excited kasi isa, dalawa, tatlo, pang-apat yung bed. So si Ima kasi lumabas, kaya wala pa siya dito. Tapos meron pa kaming makeup area and syempre our clothes. Yes, you can do your hair there. And may spa kami dito, guys. Syempre ang shower. Sana ganito rin yung bahay namin. Yes, my love! Thank you so much, Conrad Hotel. Napaka-spoiled naman namin. So ngayon, magpe-prepare na kami, guys. Dahil kami ay may dinner.
Yes, Mali.
So, meron kaming dinner. Tsaka para maikot din namin ito. Ito ay 6.8 hectares daw na lugar. So, sobrang laki niya. Hindi natin matatapos yun, Aliyah, sa stay natin. But, we are going to the beach area so we can check it.
We can collect these and keep them.
Mm-hmm.
And Mimi got on those too.
Yeah, so say thank you.
Thank you.
Conrad Hotel.
Conrad.
Ngayon naman guys, papunta tayo sa restaurant nila dito. Ang pangalan, Suku. So itong restaurant na to, dito rin yung breakfast for tomorrow. So magigising tayo. Magkapapas.
You want to go on the date?
30 minutes lang ah.
Huh?
30 minutes lang.
That's so long.
11:05 pa dahil dati.
That is amazing.
Wow! Hi, Mimi!
My toy.
Ilang feet, babe? Yan na yan, nakatayo ka.
Yeah.
Mababaw lang.
Yun.
Talaga. So there guys, nakita nyo naman, napakasarap ng mga pagkain inihain namin sa unang gabi. Napakaganda ng lugar. Tapos sobrang laki niya. Iba yung ambience kasi syempre sa sobrang laki niya parang kokonti yung tao, sobrang tahimik. Talagang ma-enjoy mo yung peace and quiet. And at the same time, mag-enjoy ka dahil yung nature, iba yung vibes nung nandyan ka malapit talaga sa dagat. So, very excited kami for tomorrow, guys, dahil meron kaming pa-surprise para sa inyo. Kaya sana abangan ninyo kung ano ang pinunta talaga namin dito sa Conrad Hotel. See you tomorrow, mga zoos!